Hello friends, welcome to the AK Learning Academy and official YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss practice set 1.3. Okay, here is the first question, that is fill in the blanks with correct numbers. Okay, so we have to cross multiply here, right? 3 into 5 and 2 into 4. So 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 2 into 4 is what? 8. So minus 8. 15 minus 8 becomes 7. Right? Next question is find the value of determinant. First determinant is given, right? That is minus 1, 7, 2 and 4. We have to here again cross multiply. Minus 1 into 4. So minus 1 into 4 minus 7 into 2, right? So which is equals to minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus 7 into 2, it is 14. So minus 4 minus 14, it is minus 18. Second problem is 5, 3 minus 7 and 0. So cross multiplication is what? 5 into 0 and 3 into minus 7 and take a difference of it. So 5 into 0 minus 3 into minus 7, right? Which is equals to 5 into 0, 0 minus 3 into minus 7, it is minus 21. So minus minus becomes plus, so plus 21. Third problem is 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, right? This is the third problem. Okay, now cross multiply 7 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2, right? Minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. So what is that? Equal to 7 into 1, 7 upon 3 into 2, 6 minus 5 into 3, 15 upon 3 into 2, it is 6. So denominator is 6. So I can write it as common denominator as 6. 7 minus 15 is what? Minus 8. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. So minus 4 upon 3 is the answer, right? Third example is solve the following simultaneous equation using the Cramer's rule. First problem is given, that is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Okay, let's solve this example. Here a1 is equal to what? 3, b1 is equal to minus 4 and c1 is equal to what? 10, right? In the similar way, a2 is equal to what? 4, right? b2 is equal to what? 3 and c2 is equal to 5. So this is what a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2, right? Now find the value of d here. Okay, d is equal to what? a1, b1, a2, b2, which is equals to 3, 4, sorry, 3 minus 4, 4 and 3, right? So which is equals to 3 into 3, right? 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4, right? So 3 into 3 is what? 9 minus 4 into minus 4, which is equal to minus 16. So 9 minus minus becomes plus 16, which is equals to 9 plus 16, it is 25, right? Now next is dx. What is dx? Dx is equal to c1 b1 c2 b2. What is the value of c1? It is 10, b1 is -4, c2 is 5, and b2 is 3, right? 10 -4, 5 and 3. So when we solve this, cross multiply this, 10 into 3 minus -4 into 5, -4 into 5. So which is equals to 10 into 3 it is 30 minus -4 into 5 it is -20. So 30 plus minus plus, right, plus 20, which is equal to 30 plus 20, it is 50. In the similar way we can find the value of dy, right? Dy is equal to a1 c1 a2 and c2, right, which is equal to 3, 10, 4 and 5, right? So which is equals to, what is a1 and c1? It is 3 and 10. A2 and c2, it is 4 and 5. So 3 into 5, cross multiply, 3 into 5 minus 5 into 4, sorry, 10 into 4, 10 into 4. So when we cross multiply, we will get 3 into 5 15 minus 10 into 4 40. So which is equal to 15 minus 40, which is minus 25. So we will get d as 25, dx as 50 and dy as minus 25. So by Cramer's rule, we get x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. What is dx? It is 50 upon dy is 25, right? 25 on the 25, 25 to the 50. So we will get 2 upon 1, which is 2. So x is equal to 2. Y is equal to dy. Dy is minus 25 and d is 25. So 25 on the 25, 25 on the 25 and minus. So minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. Therefore x comma y, which is equals to 2 comma minus 1, is the solution of the given simultaneous equations, right? Second example is 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. Okay, let's rewrite this equation. Okay, 4x plus 3y is equal to 4, right? Let's say this is equation number 1, and 6x plus 5y is equal to 8 as equation number 2. What is a1 here? A1 is what? 4, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 4, right? So this is what a1, b1 and c1. Here it is a2, b2 and c2, right? So a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 5, c2 is equal to 8, right? So what is the value of d? D is equal to a1, b1, a2, b2. right, which is equal to, what is a1 b1? It is 4, 3, 6 and 5. Now cross multiply, we will get 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6, right? So which is equals to 4 into 5 20 minus 3 into 6, it is 18. So 20 minus 18, it is 2, right? Now find the value of dx. What is dx? Dx is equal to c1 b1 c2 b2. What is c1 and b1? It is 4, 3, 8 and 5, right? So now cross multiply, 4 into 5 and 3 into 8 minus 3 into 8, which is equals to 4 into 5 20 minus 8 into 3, it is again 24, right? So 20 minus 24, it is minus 4, and value of dy is equal to a1 c1 a2 and c2, right? So what is a1 and c1? 4, 4, and a2 is what? 6, and c2 which is 8, right? When we cross multiply, we will get 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6, which is equals to 4 into 8 32 minus 4 into 6, it is 24. So 32 minus 24, it is 8. Therefore d is equal to 2, dx is equal to minus 4, and dy is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to, by Cramer's rule, we get x is equal to dx upon d, and y is equal to dy upon d. What is dx? It is minus 4. What is d? It is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so minus 2, right? So x is equal to minus 2, and y is equal to dy is 8 upon d is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Therefore y is equal to 4. Therefore x comma y, which is equals to minus 2 comma 4, is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Third example is x plus 2y is equal to minus 1, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now here the value of a1, b1 and c1 is directly given, right? a2, b2 and c2. Let's write this as a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to minus 1, a2 is equal to 2, right? b2 is equal to minus 3, and c2 is equal to 12. Now let us find the value of d, that is determinant d. What is determinant d? a1, b1, a2, b2, right? Which is equal to 1, 2 and 2 minus 3. So let's cross multiply these two values, which is equals to 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2. 1 into minus 3 it is minus 3 minus 2 into 4 it is minus 4, which is equals to minus 3 minus 4 it is minus 7. Now find the value of dx. What is dx? Dx is equal to c1 b1 c2 b2, which is equal to, what is c1 and b1? It is minus 1 2, and c2 b2 is 12 and minus 3. 12 and minus 3. Okay, so which is equals to, when we cross multiply we will get minus 1 into minus 3, minus 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 12. What is minus 1 into minus 3? It is 3 into 1, right? 1 into 3, right? Minus minus get cancelled, and then 2 into 12 is what? 24. What is 3 into 1? It is 3 minus 24. 3 minus 24, right? Which is equal to minus 21. Then dy is equal to a1 c1 a2 c2, which is equal to, what is a1 and c1? It is 1 and minus 1. a2 and c2 is 2 and 12, which is equal to, sorry, so let's cross multiply. 1 into 12, 1 into 12 minus minus 1 into 2, right? Minus 1 into 2, which is equals to 1 into 12, 12 minus minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So 12 minus minus plus 2, right? 12 plus 2 it is 14, right? Now we will get d is equal to minus 7, dx is equal to minus 21, and dy is equal to 14, right? So by Cramer's rule we get x is equal to dx upon d, and y is equal to dy upon d, right? So dx is minus 21 upon d is minus 7, minus minus get cancelled, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to dy is 14, 14 upon d is minus 7, so minus, sorry, 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14, so we will left with minus 2 upon 1, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore y is equal to minus 2. Therefore x comma y is equal to 3 comma minus 2 is the solution of the given simultaneous equations, right? Fourth example is 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12, and 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. See here, a1 is what? 6, b1 is minus 4, c1 is minus 12, a2 is 8, b2 is minus 3, and c2 is minus 2. Okay, let's rewrite this values. a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to minus 12, right? or I can reduce this equation. Okay, for example, let's consider the first equation, 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and 2 6 are 12, right? Therefore we will left with 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 6, right? In the same way I can rewrite as 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2, right? So there is no any common term in this equation, so keep as it is. Okay, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now see here, this is what a1, b1 and c1, a2, b2 and c2, right? Therefore a1 is equal to what, 3, b1 is equal to minus 2, c1 is equal to minus 6, a2 is equal to 8, b2 is equal to minus 3, and c2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, now what is the value of d? D is equal to a1, b1, a2, b2, which is equals to 3 minus 2, 8 and minus 3, right? So when we cross multiply, we will get 3 into minus 3 minus minus 2 into 8, minus 2 into 8. So when we solve this, 3 into minus 3, it is minus 9, minus minus 2 into 8, minus 16, right? So minus 9 minus minus plus plus 16, so minus 9 plus 16, it is plus 7, right? Now dx is equal to what? c1 b1 c2 b2. What is c1? It is minus 6 minus 2, c2 is minus 2 minus 3. Therefore when we cross multiply, we will get minus 6 into minus 3 minus minus 2 into minus 2, right? So minus minus plus, right? 6 into 3, it is 18, minus 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 plus 2 into 2, 4. So 18 minus 4, it is 14, right? Now dy is equal to what? a1 c1 a2 c2, which is equal to a1 c1 is what? 3 and minus 6, a2 c2 is 8 and minus 2, which is equal to 3 into minus 2, 3 into minus 2, minus minus 6 into 8, minus 6 into 8. So 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus minus 6 into 8, it is minus 48, right? So minus 6 and then minus minus plus, minus 6 minus minus plus 48. When we subtract 6 from 48, we will left with 42. Therefore d is equal to 7, dx is equal to 14, and dy is equal to 42. Therefore by Cramer's rule, we get x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. So dx is what? 14 upon d is 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Therefore x is equal to 2, and y is equal to dy is what, 42 upon d is 7, 7 was a 7, 7 6 are 42, therefore y is equal to 6. Therefore x comma y, which is equal to 2 comma 6, is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Fifth example is here, 4m plus 6n is equal to 54 and 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. Okay, from the first equation, okay, 4m plus 6n is equal to 54. So if I divide this equation by 2, right, when I divide this equation by 2 and by 2, we will left with 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, remaining is 1, it is 14, so 7s are 14, so we will get 2m plus 3n is equal to 27. So let's call this as equation number 1 here, and the second equation is 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. Now what is a1? It is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is 21, a2 is 3, b2 is 2 and c2 is 28. Therefore a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 27, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2, c2 is equal to 28, right? So let's find the value of d. D is equal to what? a1 b1 a2 b2, which is equals to a1 b1 is what? 2 and 3, a2 b2 is 3 and 2. Now cross multiply, 2 into 2, right, 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3, which is equals to 2 into 2 is what? 4 minus 3 into 3 9, 4 minus 9 is what? Minus 5. Next dx is equal to c1 b1 c2 b2, right? So it's not d, it's dm, right? It's not dx because the variables are m and n, so it's dm. Dm is equal to c1 b1 c2 b2, which is equals to 27 3 28 and 2, right? So cross multiply, 27 into 2 minus 3 into 28, 27 into 2 54 minus 3 into 28, it is 84. So 54 minus 84 is what? It is minus 30. Now dn is equal to what? a1 c1 a2 and c2, which is equals to 227 328, which is equals to cross multiply, 2 into 28 2 into 28 minus 27 into 3, right? So 2 into 28 is what? 56. So equals to 56 minus 27 into 3, it is 81. So 56 minus 81, it is minus 25, right? So we will get D as minus 5, dm as minus 30, and dn as minus 25. So by Cramer's rule, we get m is equal to dm upon d, and n is equal to dn upon d, right? What is dm? It is minus 30 upon d is minus 5. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So we will get m as 6, and n is equal to dn is minus 25 upon d is minus 5. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Therefore n is equal to 5. Therefore m comma n, which is equals to 6 comma 5, is the solution of the given simultaneous equations. Okay. Last example is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, and x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. This is the homework question. You have to solve this example at your home. Okay, and whatever the answer of x and y is, you have to comment in the comment box given below. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss equation reducible to the pair of linear equation in two variables. Till then, do like our video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.